Well, good morning to those of you joining us from Japan, and good afternoon and good evening for those of you in the United States. Thank you all for being with us for this exciting event announcing a new investment agreement. My name is Tom Mundy, and I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for NuScale Power. As countries around the world move towards carbon-free energy sources, NuScale hopes to provide a cost-effective, safe, reliable energy solution that complements other clean energy technologies. We believe our innovative nuclear power plants will play an important role in decarbonizing our global energy economy to address climate change. And that's why today's signing is so exciting. We are thrilled to have leaders here today, not only from NuScale and IHI, but also from Fluor to celebrate this important step in the strategic cooperation between our companies. Today, you'll hear from John Hopkins, Chairman and CEO of NuScale Power, Alan Beckman, Executive Chairman of Fluor Corporation, Hiroshi Eday, President and Chief Executive Officer of IHI Corporation. And we are also honored to be joined today by Sugio Mitsuoka, Chairman of the Board of IHI Corporation. It is now my pleasure to introduce John Hopkins, Chairman and CEO of NuScale Power.
Thank you, Tom. I'm certainly honored to be here commemorating this important partnership. I'd like to thank you all for attending this ceremony wherever you may be, Japan, across the United States, in your office, in your home. I'd also like to acknowledge our honored participants from both the U.S. government and the Japanese government who are attending today. We are extremely grateful for their commitment to the development and employment of the NuScale technology. We continue to have excellent support from the U.S. Department of Energy and Fluor Corporation. However, a robust global supply chain is crucial to providing competitive pricing for our customers. Suppliers who are investing cash in support of NuScale are also investing in their future as well. Despite the challenges of this pandemic, this past year has been record-breaking for NuScale. In August, our technology made history as the first and only small modular reactor design ever to receive approval from the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission. We also announced in November that our groundbreaking fully fabricated module can provide 25% more power per module and now produces 77 megawatts of electricity. These scalable power plant designs, which can be housed up to 4, 6, or 12 individual power modules, offers the benefits of carbon-free nuclear power and provides reduced financial commitments and production costs while offering a level of customization yet to be seen in the nuclear energy market. Our SMR features unparalleled safety, and the flexibility goes beyond simply deliveries high-capacity baseload energy. Our small multi-application module has the ability to offer power for a variety of industrial applications, such as a delivery of process heat, hydrogen production, and desalination, supporting the most crucial and fundamental human needs across the globe. And now, with our new partner, IHI, our design can support our shared objectives of meeting rising net zero energy demands while bettering the human condition. We truly value IHI's expertise in the energy field in the global market. IHI is a highly respected leader in heavy industry manufacturing. IHI has been a pioneer in developing Japan's energy, urbanization, industrialization, and transportation efficiency needs for more than 150 years. We are privileged to have such a world-renowned leader as our guide and partner in Japan and around the world. Our announcement today truly emphasizes the growing Japanese and global interest in NuScale. Since 2019, we have been collaborating with IHI and others in our joint participation in METI's Nuclear Energy X Innovation Promotion, or NEXIP program. This program supports accelerating the development of innovative nuclear technologies like NuScale. Now, and with Fluor and IHI's unparalleled expertise and support, we can rapidly scale our technology globally and demonstrate how our cleaner and safer advanced nuclear design brings numerous benefits, both economic and environmental. to countries around the world as they seek innovative paths to complete a clean energy transition. Our slogan at NuScale is changing the power that changes the world. This means improving the quality of life for humankind by continuously improving nuclear power. And we are honored for the opportunity to make this vision a reality with our new partner, IHI. Again, thank you for attending this historic ceremony, and thank you to my counterparts, Mr. Mitsuka-san and Hiroshi Eday-san, and Mr. Alan Beckman of Fluor Corporation. I look forward to working closely with this new partnership, improving our energy futures together. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, John. It's now my pleasure to introduce Alan Beckman, Executive Chairman of Fluor Corporation. Alan?
Good evening and good morning. It is truly a pleasure to be here today to celebrate the partnership between our three companies, IHI, NuScale, and Fluor. I'd like to thank IHI for their diligence and commitment as we've worked together in recent months to finalize this deal. We are delighted to enter this commercial relationship with a premier company headquartered in the great country of Japan. As a leading comprehensive heavy industry manufacturing company, IHI will become a crucial partner in supporting the first deployment of NuScale's power plant in Idaho and a pivotal manufacturing partner on projects in other areas of the world. This new ownership position and partnership with IHI aligns with Fluor and NuScale's long-term strategy to bring new strategic investors. We're pleased to start this alliance and look forward to new market opportunities for SMRs on a global basis. We believe that Fluor's history of success in the nuclear industry, combined with NuScale's innovative and safe nuclear technology, will provide customers with a highly competitive carbon-free option. This agreement demonstrates just how far we have come and how this technology is poised to revolutionize the nuclear power industry. Here at Fluor, we are passionate supporters of NuScale's innovative technology and are delighted that other major international corporations are taking a substantial stake in the process as the company proceeds toward the commercialization of their SMR technology. Fluor will remain a strong partner of NuScale as the company continues to build its opportunities and as potential customers recognize the vast potential of NuScale's SMR in addressing clean energy needs. We are deeply grateful to our friends at IHI for their interest in this strategic partnership, and we look forward to the many opportunities that will undoubtedly emerge from our work together. I am certain that the relationship between our three companies will continue to flourish in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Alan. It's now my pleasure to introduce Hiroshi Eday, President and Chief Executive Officer of IHI Corporation.
Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. I'm honored to be here today to celebrate the new strategic partnership among NuScale, Fluor, and IHI this ceremony. Now, let me say a few words about IHI's history in nuclear industry. In Japan, since 1950s, IHI has been designing and manufacturing primary components for nuclear power plants and has been acting as EPC contractor for nuclear fuel cycle facilities. Outside Japan, we have created value through high-quality manufacturing equipment for Vogtle nuclear power plant in the United States. In recent years, we have been involved in restarting nuclear power plants as well as decontamination and decommissioning work. Utilizing our engineering and fabrication capability developed over a long involvement in the nuclear industry, IHI will supply primary components for for NuScale's SMR and support NuScale as it rolls out its zero-emission SMR plants worldwide. I want especially thank METI and DOE officials who are in attendance today. Cooperation and support from the Japanese and US governments has been tremendous thus far. We look forward to continuing our efforts to commercialize NuScale technology with the support of both governments. JGC has already invested in NuScale through the same special purpose company that IHI is using for its investment. I look forward to cooperating with my counterparts at NuScale, Fluor, and JGC to make safe, reliable, and economical SMRs a reality for the world. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Eday-san. We will now move to the presentation of NuScale's gift to IHI, and I'll turn the microphone over to John Hopkins to present the gift to Mitsuoka-san, Chairman of the Board of IHI Corporation. John?
Thank you very much again, Tom. Yeah, in honor of this ceremony, we'd like to present to IHI although it's not quite this small, it's almost this small, a reactor to put on your desk. And, you know, again, in all sincerity, we are extremely proud to have you as our partner. It's going to be a tremendous year for all of us. We continue to see to the issues of climate disruption and also the needs globally around the world that we can make a difference. And so I'd like to again extend this invitation or this offer to you, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed. And really said, I hope we can establish the continuous close relationship to achieve the carbon-free energy. SMR is the most powerful devices technology, I believe. So we can close working together for the beautiful future. Thank you very much.
And thank you very much, gentlemen. We'll now move on to the signing of official documents.
Thank you, Alan.
Absolutely.
John, can we pull him up?
Well, thank you all for the signing of the respective documents. Congratulations and thank you to IHI, NuScale, and Fluor. And thank you to everyone who joined us today. If you have any follow-up questions, please send them to the email address nuscaleevent@fgh.com. That's nuscaleevent@fgh.com. Thank you again and take good care.